Hello everyone, I will be demonstrating how you can permanently delete your Discord account from your computer. Before we're going to delete our account, we need to check if we own any servers. If you do, you will need to firstly transfer the ownership of all servers that you own. To do so, click on the server and then go click the name. After clicking the name, go to Server Settings. Scroll down and click on Members. You can now transfer the ownership of the server by typing their name on the search bar. So to give him ownership, just click the three dots right here on the right and click on Transfer Ownership. Once you click that, it will ask you if you are sure that you want to transfer ownership to this user. Once you're sure, just click the button right here to acknowledge it and then click Transfer Ownership. And now the ownership has been officially transferred. However, for servers with little to no members, delete the server by clicking on the server settings. Scroll down over here till you find Delete Server. Now, you're ready to delete your account. To do so, click on User Settings found at the bottom left of your screen. You will be directed to My Account. From there, scroll down until you see an option to delete your account. You will be asked to type in your Discord password. Once done, click OK and your account will be permanently deleted. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more videos like this.